So it's gonna take me forever to open all these boxes. Anyway, okay, today we have a Gordon, Tommy, okay, and we have another Edward. See, the good thing of buying these items is the battery cover. If you don't have the battery cover, the engine's price drops a lot. Okay, we have a Tommy, Percy, and Tommy, Thomas and friends, Thomas the Tank Engine. Heavy. James. Oh. Thomaz, Mattel 2009, 2009. Okay, we have a talking Percy. Right there. The battery is almost dead. Another Percy from Mattel. Yeah, Mattel. Talking James. Oh, here's the battery cover. Excellent. Rosie. Hey, look at that. Is it Rosie? Yeah, Rosie. I thought this was a G, but it's S. Percy 2013. And that's it. Very large bags. So apparently this set is still sealed in a box. It's new. I'll set up a later this set because it's going to take me a long time to figure out how to assemble it. Anyway, next box. It looks in really nice condition. Really nice. Is this from this set or no? I don't know. I never had one of these in a full set. Just partial sets. Nice. Okay, so we got, look at this. Excellent. Next. Really cool. Okay, to put some batteries in this. It needs batteries, definitely. Excellent. And tracks. I think okay. I think I got a whole set of holiday Christmas delivery set or something. I don't remember the name of the set, but everything looks like it's in here. I think except for the cargo, maybe it's not for this set or they missing. I don't know. There should be some gift boxes here, but definitely I don't know, I forgot. So where does these things belong? I think this is for right here. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Sign is for this house, building, school. Oh, look at this. So I assume this goes right there. So where does this little guy should go? Oh, so the gift should be, oh yeah, right there, gifts, right there. So where this little guy should go? I gotta find on the internet, online, where this little boy belongs. I don't know if this is for, yeah, it's like a Santa. Let me know in the comments below, maybe, I don't know, somewhere. And I think something should be right over here. Gotta find out. Alright, thanks for watching, over and out.